Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today we're going to Costco and I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I like to buy from Costco when it comes to like food stuff. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. If you have a big family or you tend to spend a lot of money on food every time, I'll say check Costco out, because when it comes to food, Costco usually sell in a bulk. Like they tend to have a lot in a bag for affordable price. So there's some certain stuff, food stuff that I like to buy here. Not everything that I like to buy here, like bread and croissant and things like that. I like to buy here because I'm a mother of 3 kids. They go to school and they need food. Like I have 2 boys and they're, I have a teenage son right now and he tends to eat a lot. So at the beginning I felt like I was wasting money when I buy food here because they won't finish it. So I end up throwing a lot of them out. But now that they are more bigger and they tend to eat more, I'm back here to Costco to be buying things like this, like croissant, bread, milk, sometimes eggs and things like that. I like to buy them here at Costco. As I mentioned before, if you have a large family or growing children, I would say Costco is a great way to go when it comes to food stuff. So as you can see here, like these 3 pieces of cake was about 6 something for 3 pieces, which I really feel like it was very it's great for the price. Like for this one, for sandwiches, my kids don't take sandwich to school, but for home, if they're snack, like tiny things to hold them while I'm cooking or making something, or when they just feel like eating, I buy things like this that they can just use as a snack, like bread like this. My daughter will dip it in a hot chocolate, or my son will dip in a hot chocolate. They have a whole lot of cake as well that I feel like they are very affordable for the price. Like you get enough for the price. Like look at this one. I was tempting to buy this because I remember my coworker bringing this to work one day and I loved it. I really love this cake. So yeah, I end up buying one of that as well. If you're looking to buy meat, if you don't go to farm to buy your meat, I would say check Costco out. They have a lot of them at Costco, especially if you have big family and you want to buy meat. So I also tend to buy this here, the Creme Brulee. My coworker just brought this to work as well, and I'm like, I don't really know if I like it. She's like, just taste it, and I end up liking it. Since then, I've been buying my Creme Brulee here, and they have, I think, about 10 or 12 in the box for only $10. I also end up buying this pie. I usually buy this chicken pot pie at Food Basic. They had it here way bigger for $10, because that Food Basic is also $10, but it's way smaller. So I wanted to buy this one just to try it out if it's the same as the one at Food Basic, and it ended up being the same, just bigger for the price. This is one of the things I'm trying to explain. Like you can buy the same food that you buy like on Food Basic, but in a bigger form. Like this chicken pot pie was really big compared to the one that I buy from Food Basic. And also when it comes to like vegetables and salad, my son like really he likes to eat salad, and I tend to buy it here as well. Look at that, for only $3 you can buy a whole bag of salad that is already cut up. You just have to wash it a little bit and you're good to go. I also tend to buy this Guacamole Spread. I love this Guacamole Spread, guys. On the toast in the morning, oh my goodness, amazing. I love it. It has about 12 inside the box for about $12, which I don't think is bad. Me and my son, the oldest one, we tend to use this for bread or what is it called, chips. yeah, there's specific chips that he likes to eat this with, and for me, I can eat this with bread. Yeah, so guys, that is all about some of the stuff that I tend to buy here at Costco. They also have tissues, paper. I tend to buy my tissue paper here because I feel like I get more for the money. And so guys, just watch this video and see some of the stuff that I like to buy at Costco when it comes to food stuff. Also leave a comment down below, guys, if you tend to do grocery shopping at Costco. If you even have a Costco membership, let me know some of the stuff that you tend to buy here as well here at Costco. And if you have watched my video this far and you have not subscribed yet, please push the subscribe button down below. Also push the notification bell so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. It will really help me grow my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm going to let you watch this video to the end and see how much I end up spending at Costco. And yes guys, I'll see you guys at the end.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then
so another thing that I love to buy here at Costco are multivitamins. So I give my kids multivitamins every morning before they go to school, because sometimes kids are very picky, they don't get to eat everything, and so I tend to add multivitamins to their plan every morning, and I've been doing this since they were like babies, like since they were small. So Costco has good multivitamins, like gummies, multivitamins for kids. I tend to buy the multivitamin and also the omega-3. So yeah, sorry, I give the kids omega-3 in the morning, and I give them multivitamins at night, so before they go to bed. So yeah, the omega-3 is supposed to help with brain development, and the other multivitamins are just for if they're missing some certain things in their diet. So I've been doing that since they were like babies, since they were about 2 years old. I give them multivitamins. So I also end up buying these daddy's cookies because my daughter loves it. She tends to, like, every night before she goes to bed, she may want a glass of milk and just ask for daddy's cookies sometimes. Not all the times though with the daddy cookies, but she really likes them once in a while, just as a treat for the kids. And I end up buying this popcorn that has 44 bags, which I feel like, wow, it was a lot of it inside, but because my kids love popcorn, especially my oldest, he loves popcorn, extra butter popcorn, he loves them. And Costco, I tend to buy my popcorn here at Costco because you get a lot inside for popcorn. I also like to buy my protein shake here from Costco. So I also end up buying this. This is the only caramel that I would eat. So any other caramel that you will offer me, like caramel candy, anything that has caramel inside, I don't really like it at all. But this specific caramel I will eat, and I tend to buy it here at Costco as well. And inside here they had about 70 inside, so I tend to like take one whenever I crave something sweet. And yeah, I end up spending about $230 something for all of this. So guys, that is all about this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this far. I really appreciate every single one of you guys watching my videos, leaving a comment down below. I really appreciate. So I'm going to see you guys on my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow